Hi there, Kirsten Ward here, and to go along with having a supporting member of your team, it's important that you know how to add an additional user and how to monitor the use of the access that that user has within your company. In addition to that, I'm going to show you how to add an accountant user for whenever you do get to the point where you are ready to add a supporting member to your team. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we are at our home dashboard. We're going to come over here to our gear icon, and then we're going to come to your company and manage users. From here, you're just going to add in basic information. So you'll be asked to put a first name, a last name, and an email address, and then you get to select what sort of role they have. You may have limitations for whether you want them to be able to see all your customer or your vendor information, whether you want them to be listed as a company admin, or maybe just accounts payable, accounts receivable, standard no access, standard all access. So go ahead and look through these and determine what type of user access you want this additional supporting member of your team to have. From here, you're going to send the invitation. So let's go ahead and make a member. So Lacey is actually a member of my team. So I'm going to put her information here and send the invitation. I can see, I'll give her standard all access. I can see from here that she has been sent an invitation, but she has not yet accepted. Once she accepts, I can edit any sort of her access at any time. As soon as I send that over, I may consider adding my accountant or my bookkeeper. So I'm going to come here to accountants, and same situation. You will want to ask your accountant user if they have a different email than the one that they utilize for their day-to-day activities, because they may have set up their QuickBooks a really long time ago, ask me how I know, and they're set with an old email address. So you just want to make sure it's being set to the right email address to remove any confusion and ensure that they receive that invitation. Coming back to users, you want to ensure that you as the business owner always have primary access or primary administration rights. If you do not have primary administration rights and you are set up by another individual, that means that in the event that you need to gain access and they've removed your access, it'll be very difficult for you to regain that control over your company records. So you just want to ensure that you always have access as primary administrator to your QuickBooks file. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.